Hi, my name is John Macklem. I'm a partner at the law firm of Christian Small, based in Birmingham, Alabama. Today I wanted to briefly discuss new legislation that will affect businesses in the state of Alabama. Currently, Alabama is the only state in the entire country that does not require businesses to notify its customers when a data breach has occurred. That is soon about to change. In this legislative session, both houses have passed the Alabama Data Breach Notification Act of 2018. Currently, that legislation is with the governor, and it is anticipated that she will sign that into law very shortly. If that is indeed the case, then that law will come into effect on June 1st, 2018. What does this legislation do? Well, it affects businesses in two primary ways. The first is that it now affirmatively requires companies doing business in Alabama to take proactive measures to protect customer data and information. Previously, these requirements at best were requirements under common law or requirements through federal regulations. But now this new act requires Alabama businesses to take certain steps to make sure that customer data is protected. And secondly, and significantly, the new act requires Alabama businesses to provide notification to its customers when it is notified that a data breach has occurred. The law now requires that companies, when they are alerted or have a reasonable belief that they have been victimized by a data breach, to provide notice to its customers within 45 days. In addition to providing notice to its customers, if the data breach has involved more than 1,000 customers, then those companies must provide notice to the Alabama Attorney General's office as well as the three major credit reporting agencies. There are significant compliance enforcement issues related to this bill. If a company does not meet the requirements of this act, then it could face monetary civil penalties ranging up to $500,000 in civil damages. In addition to that, the act also states that if a company delays in getting notification to its customers about a data breach, then that company can face a $5,000 a day penalty for its non-compliance. The sort of saving grace to these new enforcement mechanisms is the fact that the law specifically states that it is not creating a private cause of action. Notwithstanding, that may still create some additional areas of liability under Alabama common law under sort of a simple negligence type of standard. But these are new areas in which companies need to make sure that they are proactively protecting customer data, as well as having a plan in place to respond to a breach and to make sure that they're in compliance with the notification requirements of this act. If a company or a business owner has any questions about what it now has to obligated to do under this act, or have any questions about its compliance efforts if and when a breach comes, please feel free to look on our website and call one of our lawyers that works within our data protection and cybersecurity practice group. Thanks.